Hello everyone, welcome to Control Technology. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to ask ChatGPT for daily productivity tips. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Control Technology. So let's get started. To ask ChatGPT for daily productivity tips, you can use different prompts that cater to your specific needs. So I'm gonna show you 3 different approaches with example prompts. So let's go. Number 1. General productivity tip for the day. Example prompt. Give me a productivity tip to help me stay focused and get more done today. Let's see the answer. ChatGPT will provide you with a practical tip or strategy that can be applied immediately to boost productivity for the day. So the next one, number 2, productivity tip for time management. Example prompt. Give me a productivity tip on how to better manage my time throughout the day. Here's the best result from ChatGPT. ChatGPT will suggest ways to structure your time, like using specific techniques to stay on track. And the last one, number 3, productivity tip for motivation. Example prompt. Give me a productivity tip to stay motivated and energized while working today. ChatGPT will offer advice on staying motivated, like setting achievable goals, rewarding progress, or using affirmations. You'll find the best result from ChatGPT. So, these prompts can help you to get tailored advice for improving productivity on a daily basis, whether it's about focus, time management, or motivation. Hope you like this video. So, this is how to ask ChatGPT for daily productivity tips. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.